This video will walk you through how to properly assemble the Rubbermaid Commercial Products full-size housekeeping cart, hood, doors, and lock. Use the included instruction sheets alongside this video to best aid in part identification for all accessory assembly. You will need the following parts and tools to properly install the hood onto the housekeeping cart. Step 1. Place the hood on top of the cart. Step 2. Using the 4 holes on the side of the hood body as a drill guide, use a cordless drill with a 9/32 inch drill bit to create 4 holes into the gallery wall rib on the top of the cart. Step 3. Install 2 plastic rivets for each of the 4 holes, for a total of 8 plastic rivets. The updated design features adjustable hood door position and improved security, helping to conceal amenities and supplies. You will need the following parts and tools to properly install both doors onto the housekeeping cart. Install both the doors using 8 screws. You will need the following parts to properly install the lock onto the housekeeping cart. Step 1. Remove the lock cap. Step 2. Choose appropriate cam. Cam options include hood only, doors only, and combo for both hood and doors. Step 3. Next, install the lock body from front of the cart. Insert plastic washer and large hex nut from the back side of the cart. Step 4. Insert appropriate cam and lock washer from the back side of the cart. Lastly, use nut to complete assembly.